Okay guys, it's all clean. This residence that I did. Actually, this is my friend's home that I took care of. So, yep. And it just look like in the outside. It's all pretty much clear. Full of concrete. Pretty much there. And through there, the more black molds. Pretty much clean. You can see the deck, and here's the deck. It shows the real beauty of this brick already, all the way through here. Yep. And this two here much cleaner and wider. Anyway, that's how it is right there. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube video, and thanks very much for following us on my Facebook page, Southwest Philosophy. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.